welcome back to my channel. Today we got the box by Fashionsta. I don't know on that. Anyways, this is a $25 subscription box every month, and there's usually quite a bit of items in this one. I really enjoy this one, so let's go ahead and open it. There's the inside, and this is for the month of August. Here is our card, never really with a theme. We got the products on the back with the pricing and a brief description. So let's go ahead and see what we got. First thing here is a lipstick. This is, if you can find it in the packaging. Okay, so first thing we got here is Melting Lip Powder. This retails for $20. This is from Bellapierre Cosmetics, and mine came in cherry red. The expiration on this one is 12 months. Let's go ahead and see what this color is. Long lasting matte lip and cheek tint. So this is for lips and cheek. I don't know about that. That is a powder. I feel the need to swatch this, so I'm probably going to keep this because of that. Yeah, let's open this. Okay, so it has a dofa, if you can see it like that. Let's see how it swatches. Oh, this is wild. Okay, so it's completely powder in there, but when you pull it out and swatch it, it feels like a liquid. Look at that. And so this is supposed to be a lip and cheek tint. Tried combining those words. That did not sound cute. So let's see how it blends. Okay, definitely blends. That is a very interesting product. I have never seen anything like that. Next thing we have here is Earth Harbor. This is Mermaid Milk Natural Glow Moisturizer. This retails for $42. So this is what it looks like. And it says here, a purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that hydrates, balances your skin while giving you a mermaid glow. This lightweight, creamy formula is packed with superfoods, supernula, whatever, and matcha. She is non-greasy, never oily, nor sticky, and absorbs quickly. Wear her under makeup or alone to let skin breathe. No synthetics, vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, so let's see what the tanner looks like. Okay, so that is what it looks like out. Look at that color, it's kind of interesting, right? I don't really have any other thoughts on this other than I think that's interesting. I'm not opening it because there's 6 months to use once you open it, and I have so much other moisturizer I need to use up before I get to this. So I am setting that aside. The next thing we got here is Catrice Prime and Fine Glow Finishing Spray for $8. That is what it looks like. It says shake well before using, can be used for priming, fixing, or refreshing. Transparent, fast drying spray to give your skin a dewy, glowing shimmer, perfect for quick, on-the-go touch-ups. Paraben-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And I don't know if I said this or not, but $8. So, yep. Don't really have any other thoughts. That's just interesting. Alright, so the next thing we got here is Dirty Lamb, the Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum, and this is $44. See that? Go. It says brighten up your day and skin with a powerful blend of fast absorbing, naturally derived oils, rice bran oil, Japanese anti-aging secret, will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day, natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. And this has a 12-month date, and yeah. Don't have any thoughts about it. Let's see what kind of oils are in it, because I'm not opening it, but I do want to see kind of the gist of what it smells like. It says there's citrus, lemon in here, and some sage. So it's probably gonna have a really light, clean smell to it, which I am perfectly fine with. All right, the next thing we've got here is Shine Bright by Auroras. I think that's how you say it. This is a Shine Bright eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $9. A colorful, fun palette with a mix of matte and metallic finishes. Try wetting your brush with a setting spray before dipping into the metallic shadows for a foil-like metallic finish. Paraben-free and cruelty-free. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this palette looks like on the inside. There we go. I don't know if I want to keep this because I pretty much have all those colors in other palettes. So, I might just pass that along to you guys. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I kind of want to try it. I kind of want to swatch it because I love doing that with palettes. But this is a USA brand. It is this 24 months. It cruelty free. Let's see, what else do we need to know about it? I don't know, but anyways, it's a look. I do like those colors. Really, really pretty. But again, I have all these colors in other palettes, so I'm probably just going to stick this straight into the fall giveaway. Alright, the last thing we have here is Bellapierre Cosmetics Color Correcting Concealer Palette for $50. Use underneath foundation to make any imperfections such as dark spots, acne spots, dark circles virtually undetectable. Color correcting is a technique that's been used by makeup artists for decades to banish imperfections throughout the use of color and can cancel each other out. And of course, this is cruelty free. Now I do have a color correction palette that I already stuck in the giveaway, so I might keep this one as a backup one because I have a color correcting palette that I currently have. And my current one is by Ruby May, but I want to open this. Not that I'm going to use it because I just want to see what the palette itself looks like. Okay, so that is really pretty. Oops. And that is what it looks like. I actually kind of like that because you can replace the pans. Look at that, it comes right on out. So that is actually really, really nice. See that? Beautiful. And then it comes with a nice booklet. It says Color Correcting Concealer Palette. Let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, so the inside here tells you how to use the colors. Like right here it says peach concealer can be used for dark and deep skin tones. So it gives you a little information on how to use the colors, so I think that's really cool. So I am thrilled about that palette. Really nice sturdy palette too. So yep, that is it of this box. Let's see how many things we got going on here. Okay, so we got the color correcting palette, the eyeshadow, the moisturizer, this unique pigment thing here, and a finishing spray and an oil. So there were 6 items in this month, and this box retails for $173. So for $25, that's a steal. Very excited about that. So that is it of the box. Let me know your favorite item below for this month. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.